10 selected quotes from The Tale of Genji. 1. Real things in the darkness seem no realer than dreams. 2. There are as many sorts of women as there are women. 3. Autumn is no time to lie alone. 4. No art or learning is to be pursued half-heartedly, and any art worth learning will certainly reward more or less generously the effort made to study it. 5. One ought not to be unkind to a woman merely on account of her plainness, any more than one had a right to take liberties with her merely because she was handsome. 6. If like the leaf of the wisteria through which the sun darts his rays transparently you give your heart to me, I will no longer distrust you. 7. Why do you grieve so uselessly? Every uncertainty is the result of a certainty. There is nothing in this world really to be lamented. 8. It is indeed in many ways more comfortable to belong to that section of society whose actions are not publicly canvassed and discussed. 9. I leave you, to go the road we all must go. The road I would choose, if only I could, is the other. 10. What need have I for a palace? Rather to lie with you where the weeds grow thick.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो और आप मज़ीद नावलों के इक़्तिबासात देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को विज़िट करें।